Hello everyone. Welcome to the solution of LeetCode problem 75 named sort colors. In this problem, we are given an integer array nums with n objects colored red, white and blue. We have to sort the colors so that the objects of the same colors are adjacent with the colors in the order red, white and the blue. That means we have to first place all of the red colors, then white colors, and then after that, blue colors. Now, here, 0 represents the red color, 1 represents the white color, and 2 represents the blue color, respectively. And we have to solve this problem without using any of the library function. Now, the examples are, the array contains 6 elements in the example 1, which is 2, 0, 2, 1, 1, 0. And if I sort it, the array will become 0, 0, 1, 1, and 2, 2. In the second example, the array are 2, 0, and 1. And if I sort it, the array become 0, 1, 2. I hope you understood the example. Now the constraint are here. The array length can be in between 1 to 300. And each of the array element is either 0, 1, or 2. And there is a follow-up question, that is, could you please come up with an one-pass algorithm using constant extra spaces? Yes, we are going to solve this problem by using only constant extra spaces. I hope you understood the problem statement. Now let's move on to the algorithm. Now, for the simplicity of the algorithm, we have taken the first example. It has 6 elements, which is 2, 0, 2, 1, 1, 0. Now here, as we have to solve this problem by using constant extra spaces, so we will take 3 variables. Our first variable, which is 0, which is store all of the element or the number of zeros in the array. And another variable 1, it will store the frequency of the element 1 in the array. And we will take another variable 2, it will store the frequency of 2 in the array. So in this example, we can see that there are only 2 zeros. So here the value of 0 will be 2. And we have seen that there are only 2 ones. So here the value of 1 will be 2, which is the frequency of 1. And we have seen that there are only 2 2s in the given array. So here the value of 2 will be 2, which is the frequency of the element 2. Now, as we have found all of the frequency of element 0, 1, 2 and respectively, so we have to place the first 2 elements of this array with 0, the second 2 of this element of this array with 1, and last 2 elements of this array with 2. And we can replace the original array element by using only one loop. So here the algorithm is pretty simple. At first, we have to take 3 variables, 0, 1, and 2, which will store the frequency of 0, 1, and 2 element in this array respectively. After that, we have to replace the original array with the corresponding 0, 1, and 2 by considering the frequency. Here, we are using 2, 0 because the frequency of 0 is 2. We are using 2, 1 because the frequency of 1 is 2. And we are using 2 2s because the frequency of 2 is 2. After that, this is the sorted array, which you will get after the algorithm being finished. I hope you understood the algorithm. Now let's move on to the code. In this problem, the code is pretty simple. At first, we are given a function named sort colors, and input vector is given. Here, 3 variables we have taken, which is 0, 1, and 2, to store the frequency of the elements 0, 1, and 2 in this array. Now, by using one loop, we can calculate the frequency of the 0, 1, and 2. After that, we will replace the first 0 element of the input array with 0, then the next 1 element with the element 1, and the final rest of the element with the element 2. Now, if we do the operations, the input array will become sorted in 0, 1, 2 manner. I hope you understood the code. Now let's move on to the time and space complexity analysis of this program. In this program, the time complexity is big O of n because we are using loop to count the frequency and to modify the input array. And the space complexity is big O of 1 because we are using only constant extra spaces to solve this problem. Thank you everyone for watching this video. We will get back soon with another LeetCode solution.